about this vlog. It is a Friday, so I'm thinking of doing like a weekend vlog, but we're going to the mall quickly to go get the black face soap, so I thought I'd bring you along and show you where I get it and the range of products that they have. We're also going to Silver Star quickly. I need to go to publicity for something, but other than that, we're just hanging out, you and I, so I thought I'd bring you along my weekend. And yeah, let's go. It's like this is the soap, and then there's a bath castor oil. Is there a price on it? Yeah. There we go. Who's that? Here's my outfit. This is Cherokee. This is Cherokee top from Pick and Pay. And then these Fashion Nova jeans, the ones with the multiple buttons, and then chucks. Okay. He's complaining. It's time to go. Guys, we just got home. I know I didn't speak to you at all. Well, I spoke to you at the craft store, but we just got home. What did we get? I got like chocolate hearts for like an Instagram post. But yeah, we didn't go to Silver Star anymore. I think we'll go sometime next week. But yeah. So while we're here, I just wanted to show you everything that I got today at the mall. I got this big heart. I wanted to film, I wanted to take a photo, and I just needed a big heart to go with the tiny ones. This one I got from the crafters market. It's $10. Yeah. And then I got these tiny little hearts, super cute. They're from it comes in this bag. They're from Clicks. These were $25. Then I got this cute little heart. Little heart with little hearts inside. This is also from Clicks. This was $35. Really cute. It says perfect together. Love that. And then the next thing I got was these cute little hoop earrings from Lavisa. it was the 5 for 200 sale, and so I got a pair, my mom got a pair, my younger sister got a pair, and then my older sister got 2 pairs. And then lastly, I got this papaya coconut scented cards. It says they're for adding a pleasant fragrance to your wardrobe, drawers, bags, or car. It smells like a dream, you guys. It smells so good. It says there's 3 cards inside, and it was $40. So can't wait to open that up. But yeah, that's everything that I got. Hi everyone. So we just got back from Macro. We did grocery shopping, as you can tell by the title. But when I was at the store, I held the camera that I want to buy for the first time, and it feels so good in my hand. You know when you're so close to getting something that you really want, but you can't get it yet? It sucks a lot. So yeah. Okay, so obviously you guys will come along when I buy my camera, but for now, let me show you what we got in this grocery haul. Also, it's just like a little filler haul. It's not like a whole full haul, because it is the, what's the date today? The 20th of February. So it's almost the end of the month, but not really. So this is just like a filler. We'll do proper groceries next month. Okay, so this is hey. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be impossible with the baby. But just ignore his mumbling. Anyway, this is what we got. I'm gonna start that side. Okay, so I'm gonna start this side. The first thing we got here is some eggs. This is the 30 jumbo. I think they're 54 and 90. So for 1 pack of 30. And then we got curry leaves. We got a 5 kg of chicken drumsticks. We have 2 bags of country mix macro frozen vegetables. We have this grande pasta, 4 macaronis and 2 spaghettis. We have this tastic, soft and absorbing long grain white rice. We just want to try something new, something other than the basmati. And then this is finger 100 meters. This was on promotion, so it was pretty cool. And then obviously the holy grail of sauces is this spur sauce. Love that. And then we got series juices. We got 4 packs. We got this Whispers of Summer flavor. And then we got the only flavor that really matters is the Secrets of the Valley. That's really amazing. We got 4 of those. And then over here we have some nutmeg and some coriander. And here we have Parmalat creamy taste fat-free, wow, vanilla flavored yogurt. That's fun. We have, I'll show you these on the other side. We have these 2, let me show you. The olive oil I've shown you in a different grocery haul. This is the extra virgin olive oil. It was on promotion for $1.90 for 2. It is 1 liter, so together it's 2. And if we move over to this side, we have the Mighty Big Twin Saver towel tissue paper. Is that what this is? Paper towel. Paper towel. We have brown bread. We have some spices over here. Chicken, 2 barbecue steak and chops. That's a promotion. And then peppercorn, garlic flakes, curry powder, and then the chicken cubes and the chili beef cubes. Then we got this cream. I think I mentioned it in a video before, but this is for cooking or for like desserts or coffee or whatever. It's basically pouring cream. Amazing. This is my favorite cream. They also have a sweetened one specifically for your desserts. It's just red. Then we have 2 packs of bananas. Then we got 5 packets of Durban curry noodles. Then we have this special garlic bologna. And then the tins over here, the cans. We have 2 baked beans in the tomato sauce, 2 of these peas because we can't find the peas that Koo used to make. Can't find them anywhere. So we got the First Value ones, 2 of them. Then we got 2 of these chakalaka with sweet corn. And then for school, or for lunch, we got these Lancewood double cream coconut mixed berry and vanilla yogurt. These look yum. And then back here, we have Simply Chicken smoked Viennas. Those are our favorite. And this processed cheese, I really don't like this, but people eat it. The yogurt, we got 4 packs. It was a promotion. Hi, sir. Hi, you're making noise. You're making noise. Really? I'm busy. Then we got these Lancewood cheeses. We got 2. We got cheddar and the other one that starts with a G. I don't want to say it because I don't know how to pronounce it apparently. So we got this Orly whipped cream. It says for desserts, cooking, whipping, and pouring. I don't really like it for anything sweet. Yeah, it has like a taste that I don't like. And then for toiletries and cleaning stuff, we got 3 Doves and 1 black, white, invisible Nivea. We got garbage bags, these ones. We have 4 sachets of Stay Soft. The baby one isn't always. This one's no, it smells nice. Then we have 4 things of Domestos, and we have freezer bags, and lastly we have this washing powder soap. So yeah, that's everything that we got in this grocery haul. It's just like a little filler, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.